Welcome to this DelfStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to stop Spotify from pausing on Discord. Spotify may pause when you are using Discord due to features like voice chat activity. Game overlay or conflicting audio settings can also cause this issue. This can be frustrating, especially when listening to music while chatting with friends. First, open Discord and click on the gear icon. Scroll down until you find the option called Voice and Video. Scroll down and make sure to toggle off Automatically Adjust Input Sensitivity. High sensitivity can cause Spotify to pause when Discord detects background sounds. Now scroll down again and go to Registered Games. If Spotify is listed as a detected application, toggle it off. This prevents Discord from managing it as an active app. You should also disable the Discord overlay by going to Game Overlay. Make sure to toggle off Enable Overlay. The overlay can sometimes interfere with media playback. Now open Spotify and go to your settings. Click on your profile and select Settings. Turn off options like autoplay or broadcast status. These features can conflict with Discord's audio handling. Finally, make sure both Discord and Spotify are fully updated. Outdated versions can cause unexpected pausing issues. And that's it. We just learned how to adjust Discord audio settings, disable the overlay, and tweak Spotify options. This will stop Spotify from pausing while using Discord. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelfStack tutorial videos.